Alright, y'all. We made it to Roswell, New Mexico. There they are. There's the aliens. They're getting a jump start from the dude in the 53 pickup there. Lampposts crack me up. They still got Santa hats on them. There's the UFO museum. Invasion station, little gift shop, I guess. Aliens out there. Dunkin' Donuts with the big alien sign. Oh, there's the spaceship McDonald's. And the Dunkin' Donuts. That sign cracks me up.
Roswell car wash. Getting washed by aliens. That would do it.
Getting washed by aliens.
Getting washed. Roswell, New Mexico.
Man. Blow dried? Oh. Well, it's still wet. Oh, I see. Interesting. That's awesome. Oh, they're gonna dry it too with towels?
Come back here and get washed every week.
So that was like the first time I've ever been through a massive automatic car wash like that.
Are you kidding?
No.